Meaning of elephant seal.
Elephant seal.
Elephant seal.
Elephant seal.
Elephant seal. An elephant seal is a large marine mammal that is native to the cooler waters of the southern hemisphere. These seals are characterized by their massive size, with males reaching up to 5,000 pounds and 20 feet in length. Elephant seals are named for their unique, trunk-like snouts and can be found in various locations, including Antarctica, South Georgia, and California. These seals primarily feed on squid and fish and spend much of their lives at sea, returning to land only for mating and molting.